Hello, good morning to you all. I promised you yesterday that I was going to make a video to explain a question that I sent to you, I think last week. Now, the question was basically on a truss, and it was a question for 2013 WASI candidates. It was basically question 5. Now, this is a truss that I think we didn't work any example on this before you left. So it might seem a little bit complicated to you, but the procedure still remains the same. Now, this truss is mostly seen in bridges, unlike roofs. They are used in bridges construction and is a simply supported truss because the reaction supports are at the various ends of the truss. And now we can clearly see, according to how the loads are being distributed, that is a concentrated load or point load, meaning the loads or the forces acting on the truss acts at a specific point, 1 and 2. It is not uniformly distributed across the truss. So it becomes a concentrated or a point load truss, which is also a simply supported truss because the reaction supports are at the various ends. I've told you where we normally see them, its application. Basically, we see them in bridges construction, mostly uncommon in roofs with this type of truss. So the question was to draw this truss with a scale that was given and then find the reactions at the various support ends and also determine actually the force and the nature of force in the members. So this is how it goes. The scale has been given, which is 1 millimeter is 0.1 meters. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.5 newtons. Now to draw the space diagram, which is the truss itself, the scale for it was 1 mm is 0.1 meters. And according to the diagram, the entire length of the truss, I think, was 16 meters. So here is 4 meters, here is 4 meters, here is 4 meters, here is 4 meters, making 16 meters. So we have to convert this 16 meters to millimeters so we can draw it with our rule on the sheet of paper, because there is no way we can measure meters on our rule, let alone drawing it on this sheet of paper. So every 4 meters, when converted to millimeters according to this scale, 1 mm is to 0.1 meters, will be 30. I'm not quite